alaikum students. Welcome to the 7th lecture of your science class. Today, in the previous lecture, we had discussed about life cycle. We had discussed about life cycle of frog and butterfly and chicken and human beings. Okay, so today we are going to start off with a new chapter, which is parts of plants. So this is a new topic which is called parts of plant. So we are going to see that every part a plant, it has some basic parts which are common in most of the plants. So what are the names of these plants, these parts? Let's see. Okay, you have to revise this, you have to listen to it carefully. Okay, so now when you see a plant, you can see that you will only see this part of the plant, because this is the ground, and this part you will not be able to see until and unless you're going to pluck the plant out of the ground. Okay, so you won't be able to see this part, but you will see this part. Okay, so first of all, let's discuss root. These are roots. So when a seed is planted inside the soil, first of all the roots come out. Okay, the roots, they hold the plant firmly in the ground, and they also absorb water and nutrition from the soil for the plant to grow. Also the roots, uh, they hold the soil in place from being displaced or washed away. And in some plants, roots also store food. Okay, like carrots or potatoes or other different fruits. So the first of all, whenever a seed is planted, the roots are formed. Okay, okay. So what is the function of the roots? Roots, they hold the plant firmly in the ground. They absorb water and nutrition from the soil, and they help the plant to grow. Okay, and in some plants they also store food. The second is stem. This is stem. This part is called stem. This, as you can see in this picture. What is the function of the stem? The stem, it holds up the plant. As you can see, that plant, it remains straight and it holds up because of the stem. In addition, it also carries water and nutrition from the roots to the leaves. So these are roots, and the water and the nutrition from the nutrition are carried from the roots by stem, and then they are passed to the leaves like this. They come from up here and then they are passed to the leaves. Okay, so the new stem, it holds the plant, and it also carries water and nutrition from the roots to the leaves. Okay, and it supports the plant and it carries water and nutrition. Okay, now the third thing is leaves. You can see leaves, plants, you must have seen different types of leaves of different types of plants. So leaves have little opening that let air and water come and go. Leaves, they catch energy from the light and use it to turn into air and water and into food. So leaves, they come in different shapes and different sizes and colors. So leaves, they use light from the sun, carbon dioxide from the air, and nutrition from the soil, and water to make food for the plant. Okay, so what is the function of the leaves? They have little openings, and they let air and water come and go, and they catch energy from light and they use it to turn it into air and water. and use it to turn the air and water into food. Okay, they use that the light that they catch from the sun, or that they catch from the sun, and they use it to turn the air and water into food. Okay, now the next is the flower. Flower. Okay, so flowers, they make seeds, um, make seeds that will someday grow into new plants. Okay, and flowers, they come in many different sizes and shapes and colors, and the purpose of flower is to to aid, to help in fertilization, so that the plant, it creates seeds. So flowers, they make seeds. What do the flowers do? Flowers, they make seeds, they make more seeds. Flowers, they make more seeds, so that those seeds can be plucked and put into the ground, and more plants are created. So bright colors and strong scents and sweet nectar, it attracts birds, bees, and other insects. So to move pollen from one flower to another, there is pollen inside the flower, which the birds and the bees carry, and they take it from one place to another. Okay, so there are different types of flowers in the world. So basic function of flower is to make seed. Next, fruit. Fruit fruits are of many different shapes, sizes, color, and texture. Some fruits have only one seed, other fruits have many seeds. For example, mangoes, peaches, plums, they are single seeded fruits. While papaya, kiwi, oranges, they are apples, they are multi seeded fruits. Okay, so not every plant has fruits, but most of them have fruits. Okay, so now the basic parts of plants are root, stem, fruit, leaf, and flower. Okay, so what does the root do? Roots are hidden underground, but they are very important to the plant, because roots, they hold the plant steady in the ground, and they suck up water and nutrients from the soil. Then the stem. The stem, it provides supports to the plant, and it carries water and nutrition to the leaves and other parts of the plant. Then leaves, they have openings, tiny openings, and they let air and water come and go. And they catch energy from the sun and use it to turn the air and water into food. Flowers flowers, they make seeds, and that will someday grow into new plants. And fruit, as I have already told you, there are different sizes of fruits: mangoes, apple, peach, kiwi, different plum, different sorts of fruits. Okay, so this is basically the parts of plant. I hope that you have understood, and I hope that you will learn it at home. And please remember the names of all these parts of plants. Okay, learn it at your home and do the worksheet, and keep revising the lecture. Okay, I will see you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.